life began again. The day you took my hand. And yeah, I know how lonely life can be. The shadow followed me, and the night ran after me. But I don't know, the evening get me down. Now that you're around me. And you love me too. Your conscience you set my spirit free. I'm happy that you do. The book of life is free, and once the page is read, all my love is there. That is my belief. And yes, I know how lonely love can be. The shadows follow me, and the night won't let me breathe. But I don't let the evening bring me down. Now that you're Happy 100th birthday, Ate Bali.
Thank you kay Benji. Kala ko mag-e-MC. At now, pwede rin po tayong bigyan ng special number ng Kuya Rubing. At ang kakantahin po niya ay
Walang kamatayan.
maganda yun.
Ha?
Hindi na kumakanta yan, matagal na.
Hindi mo ba naalalagiw nang tayong dalawa'y nasa isang luntay? Ako no'y walang tigil ng pagsagwan. Nakahilig ka pa sa aking kandungan. Minsan nakita ko ika'y umiyak, luhang tumutuloy, pinahid ko agad. Okay, sarap ng ating paglalambingan, at parang tayo ay walang
Si Lisa.
Sino naman nung kantang yun? May ganda pa naman ng boses. Ano ba yung mga vintage na yan? Mga... I think it is a Pandiman song and they did during the vintage. Parang naliisip ko lang ko yung Rubin nung kinakanta ni na Rubin Tagalog at ni Ayan. Mga kapanahonan na yun. Mga Tres Rosas, Mabuhay Singers. Yun ang mga kilala na. Aichi, are you ready to give your message to Auntie? Ay, she's composing her love message to Auntie. Or is there anyone else who would like to speak? Ang Kuya Boji ko naman. Ito yung, ano mo, opposite to ng uni kong iho ng auntie, napaka-opposite eh, napaka-mahiyain, hindi nagmana sa akin. And I think we are now ready for Lisa and JD's number. Auntie Male has been prodding them to, kasi special yan, yuhuli natin. Kakakanta po yan. In the meantime, I'm reminding everyone that dessert is yummy and pwede na kayong bumalik-balik sa ating buffet table, sa ating masarap na food galing kay Shirley and Honey Catering Services. Address? 493 Tansaluma 5 in Imus. You can always speak from your heart. You don't have, these Gen Z people, gusto nila nako-compose muna ng mga heartfelt messages nila. And would you like to say something before you do your number? Anybody? Ardy? Ardy, would you like to give a message to Lola Ambao before the number of Lisa and JD?
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is RD, son of Roy Darwin. I'm here with Lisa, my spouse. It's an honor to be here, Lola Mali. Maraming salamat for inviting us, your family. We saw each other maybe a week ago and we promised to be here. And as promised, we are here today. I would like to thank you, Lola Mali, for being an inspiration to our family, for keeping us close. You not only entertain us when we visit you with your stories about a lot of things about our family, about how close we are together, about my father growing up. And so I think it is a blessing to have you. And it is remarkable that you reached 103 years, and I'm sure it has been a good journey for you. Something that we will always cherish and remember. We love you, Lola Mali. Happy birthday again, and many more returns. Thank you. Oh, and now JD will do a Van Halen. Wala ka na. Take it away.
Not Van Halen, my Papa Arts. Hello everyone, I'm JD. First of all, I'd like to say happy birthday, Lola. Happy Mother's Day to everyone. I got pretty sick recently, so I won't be singing today. But I hope you like it. Let me set up real quick.